guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I got this twist out using just one product. Now, if you guys remember in my last video, I did a wash day routine showing you everything that I used, which was the Herbal Essences Honey and Vitamin B shampoo and conditioner. And I used my Maui Moisture Curl Smoothie with coconut oil and it was some other extracts in there. But it really made my hair feel soft and I really liked it. Now, this is 2 days from having my hair twisted like this from my wash day, so I was ready to go ahead and take them down. I just put a little bit of oil in my hands and I'm just going to go ahead and untwist my hair. I know y'all see that definition now. And that's just using one product. I didn't put anything else in my hair besides the Maui Moisture Curl Smoothie. I really was surprised that it even came out looking like this because I had these twists for 2 days and I was like, ooh, these things is looking raggedy, okay? But look at that. So now with the front of my hair, it's a little bit different. For some reason, the front of my hair is a slight bit different curl pattern and texture than the rest of my hair. So when I'm unraveling the twist in the front, I'm not going to separate them too much because that's usually the part of my hair that will start messing up more quickly than the rest of my hair because the front of my hair is a bit straighter. I don't know why that is. It's just is what it is. But you'll see that I'm just trying not to separate it too much so I can have some definition left on the top and in the front, and then just fluff up the back if I have to, of course using the trusty old pick. But I do pick my hair out in sections just to try to not make it more tangled at the end of it. So I'll just go ahead and do section by section and just pick my hair out. Now, of course, you can leave your hair like this. I like my hair like this because it's not too stretched out. But I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. and just give me a bit more stretch. You can go ahead, obviously, and let it stretch on its own throughout the week, but I kind of wanted that stretch now. A little impatient, but it's all right. So I'm gonna just go in with my blow dryer section by section. I can't talk right now. And just try to straighten out my roots just a little bit and fluff it out. So, like I said, the front of my hair has a bit of a looser texture than the rest of my hair. So, most of the time, I don't blow dry that part because I don't want it to be too straight. I was able to achieve this look. Remember, I just used the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Curl Smoothie. I just used that, and when I was taking down my hair, I just filled this water bottle with aloe vera powder and water, and then just used my jojoba oil to rub all over. So thanks again for watching. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.